view. Ha?
Gamay ra kayo tubig.
Ah, good. Asa good sila ka-practice ka?
Ay, nagbuba. Diyan na hubo.
Oo, good na buba.
Oo, galihan nagkawayan.
Dili bitig-date ni Papa sa una na.
Ngayon, doon po di agas ang tubig tangkay na.
Ha?
Dapat, pag mapuno na siya, maawas ang tubig dire. Naog sa mo, picture mo ka mo.
This is the Bayungan Dam. Wala di arag sakinan bi oh. Nooy. Ay ma, ano ka man nooy.
Atras mo kuno to.
Ha?
Ano ba mo dagkuan?
Sa man to ni ambak.
Gani lagi na, gali na dito nagkawayan ano ko dili.
Ano oh. Ambak ko. Uy, ano ko ni kursi gid na.
Gani ko siya na ho. Kita mo picture to biyo, to may mga kuan. Ano to dito sudlan?
This is the view of Bayungan Dam.
Vlog.
So very wide. Water are getting
A
smaller.
lot of cow.
There's a lot of cow walking the road.
Puto kung may kanahan tanan ah.
There they are. Welcome. Welcome to our vlog. Welcome to our vlog. The view is so nice to see.
Makita nimo agasanan at hotel. Sudat to ang isudlas
You
bata.
can able to see the surroundings very wide. Uy, ako ang kuan helmet. Ko sa turn, please. Ko sa turn. Ah. We go there. So very nice. See? Wow.
Good job.
Ito rin ito liba out ang liba out video na reviewhan ni mo.
Walang tubig. There's no water. Nice siya. This is it. This is the project from what is this? Gloria Macapagal Arroyo Excellency during her terms. Bahal Irrigation Project here in Bayungan, San Miguel. There's a lot of cow roaming around here. I don't know who's the owner of this cow. Hey!
Hello there.
It's a very nice view here. In fact, it is prohibited to visit in this area, but we're still
have many friends there.
violating the rules
And
for the fact that we like to view the surroundings. It's very nice here.
You meet my friend, my new friend.
Here's our new friend. Hello. Eat lang ng eat. And the two of them looking around.
Yes.
So what can you see about the surroundings?
I can see. That's all, and thank you.
What about you, Miss Little Girl? What? What can you say about the surroundings?
Simple lang. Guwapa pa.
Pagukod
So,
atong mga
very
baka tel kaya itong kang
nice.
videohan ba?
There.
May mabakang may pagpagukod kaya itong
The
videohan.
view is so nice.
Durot may lagkuan ba eh. Sa anahaw na no? Pambansang dahon ba?
Picture sa tubig ka.
Tabagan.
So, and that's all. We're gonna go home now. We're going back home. So you can able to see the view, the whole view of the Bayungan Dam right here in San Miguel, Bohol. So very nice to view the surroundings. Very wide. And now we're gonna go home. It's getting hot. The sun is rising, getting happier. And thanks for the opportunity that we can able to come here, visit this place. Nice, very nice, very nice. In fact, this place is our meeting place with my fiancé, and this is her, the fruit of our love.
Hello.
So we're gonna say bye for now. We're going to our home place. We're going back home. So thanks for the opportunity that can able to visit here again for almost how many years that we've been here? Almost 2 years that we're here, and now we can able to go. No, it's not 2 years, you know. Those were the times that I am.
7 years.
That I
7
am,
years.
Yes, 7 years. For almost 7 years.
9 years. 9 was itel.
I see. 9 years before we're able to visit here. Those were the time that we go on date with my boyfriend. And now it's the 9 years. There she is, the fruit of our love.
Fruit of our love called
So-
juicy fruit.
So thanks for the opportunity that we're able to visit here. Very nice place. Bye for now. Bye-bye.
Very nice.
So we're on our way to home now. Abi no, at sabi nito sa babaw tamo agi bi. Ha? Ah. Ha? Ko gusto ani no?